Assalamualaikum sir. I'm Satam Shandar. My ID is 213442226. My presentation topic is combination of columnar transformation CPAP, Caesar CPAP, and Lampel-Depol's algorithm in image security and compression. Abstract. Here is the short summary of this research paper. The research will use a combination of two classical algorithms, which is columnar transformation CPAP and Caesar CPAP with a linear conventional generator modification. Information in the form of image often has some of pixel value components for saving the memory. The writer used the technique of compression with the Lampel-Pulse algorithm, which is a dictionary-based compression algorithm. The picture will be encrypted using the algorithm of columnar transformation CPAR. Next step, file that has been encrypted will be encrypted with the Caesar CPAR algorithm using a combination of the linear conventional generator modified. For the implementation of programming language, C# system used. Previously, we saw paper summary. Now I have to explain those things. Cryptography is the study of method for sending secret messages so that only recipient and intent to open the encrypt and read the message. Encryption, the process of converting plain text to ciphertext, is called encryption. Decryption, the process of converting ciphertext to plain text, is called decryption. Columnar transposition CPAP, the algorithm uses a transposition technique. And columnar transposition CPAP is a cryptographic algorithm that has a short time encryption and decryption process, but has a weakness that is frequency events of the character in ciphertext, some with plain text, so it can be attacked frequency analysis. To improve this security, it's necessary to do a combination with the Caesar CPAP algorithm by utilizing the principle of super encryption. Knuckles-Zippel's algorithm. The advantages of this algorithm are fast in implementation, and the drawback is less than the optimal because it's only perform limited analysis of data. Method. In this implementation, there are two main menu. Sender menu to encrypt image with columnar transformation CPAR algorithm and Caesar CPAR algorithm and compress with Lampel-Pulse algorithm. Recipient menu to decompress the file with the Lampel-Pulse algorithm and decrypt image with the Caesar CPAR algorithm and columnar transformation CPAR algorithm. Here is the first step for encrypt image with columnar transformation CPAR algorithm. We know in columnar transposition, the message is written out in row of fixed length, then the read out again column by column, and the column are chosen in some order. But the width of a row and the permutation of the column are easily defined by key. The permutation is defined by the alphabetic order of the letter in keyword. Here is the pseudocode for this step. Get the key columnar transposition CPAR as a string. Or we take index old as a variable, our value is 0, then the index value will be increased. In line 4, if key length is greater than index, then index will be index plus key length. In line 5, where we can check out plain text will fit the intergrid perfectly or not. Here we take modulus between index old and width. If modulus returns 0, then it will be fit perfectly. Otherwise, we will append another character and key that will be key minus extra character, and here index old minus x old. So we can determine size of the grid for that length of index divided by width. Similarly, here we take another variable x new and swap with x old y old x new y new. Next, this is the second step. Step for encrypt image with Caesar CPAR algorithm modified LCZ. Get the key Caesar CPAR as a linear convention generator and encrypt the image by this formula. Here is the formula. Here k equal key equal Zn. Zn is all the possible permutation of Z26. Its mean value of range between A to Z. And here the equation Zn equal A into Zn minus 1. Here A is multiplier with value of Zn minus 1 plus increment of C with modulus A. We know first is the super encryption. C will be P plus K. Then same value encryption. Next, next step is compress image with Lampel-G-Pulse algorithm. Lampel-G-Pulse algorithm is a very common compression technique, and this algorithm is typically used in zip and optionally in PDF and TIF, and it's lossless, meaning no data is lost when compression. How you can implement this? The idea of compression algorithm, as the input data is being processed, a dictionary keeps the corresponding between the longest encrypted word and the list of code. The words are repeated by the corresponding code, and so the input file is compressed, and therefore the efficiency of the algorithm increases as the number of long repetitive words in the input data increases. Here is the pseudocode for this step. Next step is decompress image with the Lambda-Zipf's algorithm. The Lambda-Zipf's decomposer create the same string table during decompression. It starts first 256 tables initialized to a single character. The string table update for this character in the input stream expect the first term. Decoding achieved by reading codes and translating them to the code table being built. There is a pseudocode for this step. And next step is decrypt image with Caesar zipper algorithm modified LCZ. Get the key Caesar zipper as a linear conjunction generator, and here is the formula, decryption formula. And here K equals Z, and previously we discussed this will be there will be one chance for description, and this is C equal P minus K, then same value for description. This is the last step. Decrypt image with columnar transposition separate algorithm. Decryption by columnar transposition is similar to encryption. The difference lies in row in or in column according to the reading method used during the encryption, as well as in the order of column which is permuted before being sorted again in ascending order. Here is the pseudocode for this step. Next is result and decision. The result of experiment of is set present here table 1 and table 2. We can see here the table 1. The result of experiment based on time for this table, and next table, and the result of compression here. The result of compute the compression ratio is RC. Compression ratio CR is space saving SS uh, in table. The MSC value is 0. The PSNR including the compressed file, and the decompression result have the same data. Conclusions: combination of columnar transposition zipper and Caesar zipper algorithm can maintain the confidentiality, integrity, security, image, and average compression ratio. The ratio of compression and space saving is 67.05, 1.49, and 32.93 respectively. Thank you so much.